visiting, what is this called? Waimanalo Beach Park. This is where we are swimming, chilling. It's only 12:02. We haven't had lunch yet, but we had breakfast. And I didn't vlog it anymore because the kids were taking classes. So anyway, we are here. The water is so blue, so turquoise, and we loved it. And yeah, so I'll show you guys more in a few. Hey guys, so my husband is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the kids, they found a friend right there. It's really not too crowded. I'm glad we came here, even though it was a little bit far from where we were staying at, because we're staying around Waikiki, and we didn't want to go there because COVID and it's overcrowded, and also, you know, we just want a better beach or peaceful area that we can chill. So yeah, we're here. Crab, little crab. Cool. My daughter found a play buddy right there.
Mommy, I play with Millie, but
Alright.
oh my god, a bad word?
Huh?
Is oh my god a bad word?
Of course not.
I know. I told Millie, she said, I don't want a bad word. Oh my god.
Okay, don't say it. Okay, that's fine. Bye. And Kaylee and my husband is right there. Go. Wow,
that's good.
Okay, Kaylee's turn. Go.
Quick. Quick.
Quick, go.
Awesome. Good job. Going back to the car.
Yeah.
And then on to the next.
All right.
Swimming in there, huh? That's so cool. So they were saying, guys, that these are the lava that was flowing. So cool. I'll see all. You can go swimming down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. That's awesome.
Yeah, very nice.
That's cool. And then they have a little like staircase that you can go up right there. So it's easy to go up and down. Cool.
Very nice.
Yeah. What's
This
in
was
here?